Hey guys, my name is Frankie with the Buggy Company, and today I'll be unboxing our traditional Easy Peasy planter for Buggy Kit system. Now let's get started. The traditional grower system includes 4 10-gallon planters in the color of your choice. Today I'll be showcasing our Autism Speaks Baby Blue and our Breast Cancer Awareness Pink. Each planter comes with a pre-installed drainage grommet and our Easy Peasy worker station. Everything snaps on just like that. Easy peasy. 4 Easy Peasy screen pots, 1 instruction manual, 4 1/2-inch double female union valves, optional sprayers, 4 Easy Peasy irrigation manifolds, 16 irrigation manifold brackets, and 32 branch spreader arms. That's it. Please continue to like and follow us on Instagram and Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.